A tag question is a short question added to the end of a sentence to confirm or check information. It's often used to encourage a response or agreement. There are 3 main rules you need to remember. Let's take a look at each one. Rule 1. If the main sentence is positive, the tag is negative. Example, she is your friend, isn't she? Rule 2. If the main sentence is negative, the tag is positive. Example, you don't like coffee, do you? Rule 3. Use the same auxiliary or helping verb as in the main sentence. Examples, he plays the guitar, doesn't he? Now, you're going to watch 4 conversations in different situations where tag questions are used.
This place is really relaxing. I love how quiet it is in the morning.
Yeah, it's nice. And the smell of coffee always makes me feel more awake.
You take yours black, right?
Most of the time, yes. But today I tried it with oat milk. Not bad at all.
You like trying new things, don't you?
I guess I do. Keeps life interesting.
The barista is friendly. She remembered my name from last time.
That's good service. This is your favorite place, isn't it?
It is. You can just sit and read or chat. Nobody bothers you here.
That's rare these days. The world's always moving so fast.
True. We all need a break sometimes. You don't get to relax often, do you?
Not really. That's why I'm glad we came.
Me too. Let's stay a while. There's no rush, is there?
Nope. Just good coffee and good company.
I love the smell of books. It's comforting.
It really is. There's something peaceful about libraries.
I'm trying to finish this novel before the weekend.
That's the mystery one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite good. Full of surprises.
You enjoy mysteries more than romance, don't you?
Definitely. Romance novels are too predictable sometimes.
I agree. This place is always so quiet.
It's the perfect spot to concentrate. You're studying for your exam, aren't you?
Yes. I've got one next Tuesday. Not looking forward to it.
You've been preparing well, though. You'll do fine.
I hope so. You haven't read that author before, have you?
No, first time. But I think I'll read more of her work.
Sounds like a good plan.
This spaghetti is better than last week's, isn't it?
Much better. Last week's was kind of soggy.
Yeah. They change the menu every Monday.
I noticed. You brought your own lunch yesterday, didn't you?
I did. I wasn't feeling adventurous. Cafeteria food is always a gamble.
True. But today's not bad.
No complaints from me. You like spicy food, don't you?
I do. I wish they had more options with a kick.
Maybe we should talk to the kitchen staff.
That's a good idea. They take suggestions, don't they?
I think so. Could be worth a try.
For sure. Want to go ask after lunch?
Sure. Let's finish eating first.
For this last conversation, I want you to listen carefully and find the tag questions. There is one for each rules. Find them and write them down in the comment section below. So remember, 1. Positive sentence, negative tag. 2. Negative sentence, positive tag. 3. Match the auxiliary verb or use do, does, did if there isn't one. And that's how you can master question tags.
That was a tough session.
It really was. I'm going to feel that tomorrow.
You lifted more than last week, didn't you?
Yeah, I added 5 kilos. Slowly getting stronger.
That's great progress. You've been consistent, haven't you?
I try. It's all about routine.
I admire that. I skip days too often.
You're doing fine. You come at least 3 times a week, don't you?
Usually, yes. But I want to do more cardio.
Treadmills are free now. Want to hop on for 10 minutes?
Good idea. I'll join you.
Let's go then. We're not done yet, are we?
Not quite.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.